Want to make something interesting for your kids? Try this orange rolls. For your dough, you mix warm milk, egg, yeast, sugar, flour, and salt. Then you make your filling, which is sugar and orange zest. And our sugar syrup is orange juice, sugar, and orange zest. After your dough has doubled in size, you roll out and spread your butter first, then your zesty orange and roll just as I am doing. In a well-greased cupcake pan, put in your cut-out rolls and allow to rise for 1 hour. Egg wash and bake till golden. Glaze with your sugar syrup and put it back into the oven for 5 minutes. Your orange roll is ready. It is sweet, fluffy, and can't miss it with the children. Thank you.